Good night. My name is Windy, and today I will talk about past modal verbs. On this example, we will talk about how to use the modal verbs, and we have to see a little example for the uses and an explication about it. What is a modal verb, how to use modal verbs in real context, and how to add it in a conversation. Good night, and today we will talk about modal verbs in past. So, let's start. What are modal verbs? What are past modal verbs exactly? So, past modals are an auxiliary verb, and we use to express possibility, and necessity, or ability. And the best examples include the verbs could, should, might, and others. And we use have to the end of the verb. So that depends of the meaning and depends of the context. What do you want to tell? So for the past modal verbs, the first one is could. And remember, we need to add have to the end. Yeah? So could, we use could to talk about ability or a possibility. The first could have used to describe an ability and possibly that exist in the past, yeah, but did not manifest or reflect on what someone was capable of doing that. So that was a possibility, yeah. The next one is should. That is an obligation or advance. Usually we use that for advance. Remember, should have. That is an advice that was not a command. Was not, you can do that now. You should. Tú podrías. Yes. We need use that in that way. So might have. This is a possibility, but in the past. And then manifest a possibility or an hypothetical situation. And we use that more to manifest a hypothetical situation. We use that to have possibilities, but it's most common to hypothetical situations. Yeah? And indicates uncertain about the past event. For instance, one could say, and this is an example, she might have attended to the meeting if she had known about it. How she didn't know the meeting, but she didn't assist about it. Next. The use of the modal verbs, we use that for express regrets about situation or actions, speculation in past events, or to give advice or decisions. We use that for that situation, modal verbs in past. And we have here a little examples about the use of that. So first, could have gone to the party, but it was too tired. I could have gone to the party, but I was too tired. Next one, should. You should have studied harder for the exam. And the next one is might. She might have taken the road bus. The next, another conclusion. Past modals are essential for discount past possibilities, obligation, and abilities. They correct us exchange communication by allowing speakers to express their regrets, speculation, and hypothetical situation. And remember, when we talk with modal verbs are its own auxiliaries. We don't need to use did or we don't need to use that. It's not necessary to do that, right? Because the modal verb is its own auxiliary, right? This is our auxiliary. And that is all for today. Thank you so much.